5 tips to help you maximize your iPhone camera's performance. Apple is one of the most influential and valuable companies in the world. Its innovative products and design have transformed the technology industry and impacted the daily lives of millions of people worldwide. Its impact can be seen in the way we communicate, work, and consume media. Amidst the wide plethora of devices offered by Apple, the iPhone has played a game-changing role in the world of mobile devices, revolutionizing the way we communicate and interact with technology. It has set the standard for modern smartphones, paving the way for the development of new apps, services, and features that have transformed the way we live and work. Do you ever feel like you're not getting the most out of your iPhone camera? Well, in this video, we'll share 5 tips to help you maximize your iPhone camera's performance. First up, turn off lens correction. Although it may come in handy in certain scenarios, it can potentially compromise the level of detail captured in your images or create an unnatural and artificial appearance. See the difference? Turning off lens correction gives you more control over the look and feel of your photos, allowing you to capture more vibrant and realistic images. Next, take advantage of the zoom feature. It can be incredibly useful when you need to get closer to your subject. But remember, using zoom can result in loss of image quality. Therefore, to optimize the clarity and sharpness of your photos, it is recommended that you attempt to physically get closer to your subject rather than relying on digital zoom, which can result in pixelation or grainy appearance. A slow iPhone can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to capture a special moment. Clearing your iPhone's RAM, updating on iOS, turning off background app and location services can help improve camera performance. Consider using a third-party camera app to take advantage of advanced features and settings. Apps like Pro Camera, Halite, Camera Plus, and Adobe Lightroom can help you get the most out of your iPhone camera. Finally, take some time to experiment with camera settings. By taking the opportunity to fine-tune your exposure, focus, and white balance settings, you can potentially elevate the quality of your image and obtain better results. It is essential to note that experimenting with camera settings can be a valuable learning experience, as you can discover new techniques and styles that allow you to express your creativity and enhance your photographic skills. By using night mode, you can capture more details, reduce noise, and enhance the overall clarity of your image, even in challenging lighting scenarios. By implementing these techniques, you can potentially enhance the quality of your photos and videos, resulting in visually stunning and impressive content. Whether it's adjusting your camera settings, experimenting with night mode, or avoiding the use of digital zoom, each of these tips can make a significant impact on the final outcome of your shots. So, give them a try and unlock the full potential of your iPhone camera today.